recording. It could be whatever you're teaching on. Maybe you're trying to demonstrate something like I'm doing here. So there are many different things that you could do. Maybe I wanted to show somebody how to do something in Photoshop, which I'll be doing a class on here very shortly. So I'll open up Photoshop and explain how that works and things of that sort. So maybe I just show them how to one of the t-shirts that I've recently done. You can see here that I've got different layers. I would explain how I did the layers and how I've placed the images. This is actually using some software that I used, a template to do this, and I'm just adding my logo and display there. Used a template for an actual actor or something like that. Site that I use, placeit.net, to do those type of things. So once I've done my demonstration and I want to finish, I of course come over here to where the red mark is. You can pause, delete, you can make some comments, and if you're wanting to use some tools to demonstrate, maybe I wanted to highlight a certain area, like this is the design that I added to the t-shirt. I created that in Photoshop, and then I went ahead and added my logo here. And maybe in the Photoshop I'd want to talk about the different layers. So there are some tools here that you could use. Of course, we can get rid of that and say done. And I'm going to stop and finish.